Hola and hi, welcome back to my channel Art of Act. Today is a demo video of how to create new Facebook page from your existing account and how to connect via Instagram account to your Facebook page. Let's get started. Log in to your Facebook account as shown on the screen. Enter your password and click the login button. After that, you can go to the top right corner and scroll down to the page icon, press it. A new window of a create new page will be opened. Enter the page information in the left corner as shown on the screen. Enter the page name as per your choice and the category below it as shown. Your category can be likewise, for example, of a blogger or any local business, whatever you may like. After that, enter the description which you need to be mentioned and displayed on your page. This description tells about the information about what your page is gonna be. This demo shown is regarding my page creation. It's about a website which is known for its motivational quotes and many more. Meanwhile, you can go and check my website. After entering the details, you can click the bottom button of Create Page. After that, you can add the profile picture as shown. Once you create the page, these new two options will be opened. One is the profile picture and other is the cover photo. So you need to create your profile picture and your cover photo earlier or prior to starting for this creation of new channel or a new page. Well, this may take few while. After that, click the Save button at the bottom of the screen as shown. Once done, your information will be updated on the screen. This pop-up may arise, most probably, which will ask you to connect via WhatsApp or any other application. You won't need to worry about it. You can leave it and do it later. You can see on the screen the updated information of your newly created page. Now you need to create your username. You can give any name or the name which you have chosen for your page. Here my name I would like to give is of Wiser Tales. as it is seen, and this name will be reflected into your link of the Facebook page created. So choose a wise one. Here are the instructions given about what kind of name or what are the guidelines used or followed to create one. First is off, you can have only one username for your page. Second, usernames can only contain alphanumeric characters, as you can see. Usernames must be at least 5 characters long. Third one. Fourth is full stops and capitalization can't be used. And the last and second last one. That's it. As you can see, a tick has been done. Now click the create username button. Voila, it's done. You are all set for your newly created Facebook page. Now next thing you will like to do is to add a button and to create a new post, like your first ever post for your Facebook page. Also, as shown on the screen, you need to enter your website link if you have created it. That's a good option so as to promote your business page or your personal blog page to a further extent. Okay, so now you can choose the location, add hours, and add your phone number if you want. Connect via the WhatsApp. Now, the main thing is of adding the button, as you can see on the screen. You can choose any of the buttons of your choice which you want to be worked. For now, I will just add the follow button. Now next is you need to create a new post. So click on the button, write something about it, a few lines so as to describe your first post. Meanwhile, this is my blog and it tells you more about your motivational quotes, your technical stuff, etc. Please go and read my blog. It's of really help. Okay, so now coming back to our demo. Now you need to add your image or video of your choice. Here I'm gonna add my picture post. As my this page belongs to a motivational blog, so yeah. After uploading, you need to just press the bottom button of post. That's it. Just refresh the page from the top menu. This boost post, you can do it later. For now, you can just close this window or this pop-up. I am just showing this so as to know it informatively. After refreshing the page, you can see the updated your first ever new post. All done. Now next, moving to our mobile application on how to connect it or sync it with the phone. So first you need to go onto your account. There you need to check if you have a personal account or it is of a business. If it is not, you need to go to the settings, scroll down to the switch account type, choose the switch business account, press the switch icon. Next, come back to the settings and press the bottom button of accounts center. Press the setup account button. If your profile is this, you can continue and you can choose and see as per on the screen. It asks for confirmation, so you need to confirm that. Press the yes finish setup button. Now you can see your accounts have been synced. Your Instagram account have been synced to your Facebook account. Now you need to connect that account with your page created under your Facebook existed account. Go to the edit profile. There you can see the page section. If you have already created that Facebook page, as we have done it already, so you need to just choose this icon, or if not created, you can create now by the create a new page section. Likewise, you can again start with the procedure that we have started at first. If not, we can come back and choose the first option. Of this blogger Vice, which I have chosen. You can apply the changes by clicking the change button. And hence it is done successfully. Now coming back to the third section of this demo video is about how to connect your Insta to the Facebook page from the Facebook application. So coming back to your page, you need to go to the settings section, go to the page rules first to see if you are yourself the admin of your page, which you can see at the bottom under your name. There it's mentioned the admin as a role. Next, to connect it to your Instagram account, you need to scroll down and press the Instagram icon. Now as I have already synced or connected it through my mobile application, it will directly come up here as my Instagram account has been connected successfully already to the Facebook page. If not, you will need to connect it via the buttons available there. but it is of an ease when you do it already, as shown per my demo video. I guess it is pretty easy to you to understand too.